believe this guy?
What, you gonna cry to your mama? Come on, guys, leave him alone.
Stay out of it, Runt.
I don't want any trouble.
Well, you should have thought about that before getting involved.
Whatever. Jerks.
Punch in, punch out, day after day. In your brain, time ticking away. Someone said they had something to say that you'll bury out back in the garden. Everybody want what everybody else got. Time all the time in a world to worry about. Everything that we see is real, does it even really matter?
Thanks, man.
No problem. What's that guy's deal anyways?
I don't know, but I better get going.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
So did backflip into the suplex, elbow to the skull.
Thanks.
Look who it is.
Can you just give me my bike back, please?
So why don't you make me?
Look at this loser. He's getting mad.
Come on, man, get up!
You want to get to him? You gotta go through me.
That won't be much of a challenge, old man.
What was that? Taekwondo? Or jiu-jitsu?
That was karate. Old school karate.
You think you can teach me? Those guys are making my life a living nightmare.
You want to learn? It's not easy.
I'll do whatever it takes.
Are you sure you're ready? Because once you go down this path, there's no going back.
Yeah, I think I am.
Push it to the limit. Walk along the razor's edge. But don't look down, just keep your head or you'll be finished. Open up the limit. Past the point of no return. Reach the top, but still you gotta learn how to keep it. Hit the wheel and double the stakes. Throttle wide open like a
Hey guys, there's 5 minutes left. Let's back up.
Oops. Sorry.
You just gonna walk away?
Huh?
You heard me. Come on.
You better watch out. Cause that bum's not here to save you this time.
He's not a bum. He's my sensei.
Watch out, guys. He knows karate now. Get it. You're gonna pay.
No. Wait.
Cut it out. Hey, Cameron, you okay?
Yeah. I'm good. So why do we have to go in here again?
I need to have a word with this sensei. This kind of stuff is unacceptable.
You can do better, Mr. Cochran. 50 push-ups on your knuckles! In this dojo, we build champions. And champions win their bouts. If any man confronts you, he is your enemy, and what do we do to the enemy? No mercy!
What's the problem, Mr. Cochran?
Sir, we have guests.
Oh, come on, Mr. McGotty, let's just forget this.
Wait.
I heard you jumped some of my students.
Your students tried beating up my student.
Well, if that is true, then he must have done something to deserve it.
How about we settle this by having them fight it out? Tournament style. Your student versus my student. If you lose, you close down Cougar Kai. And if I lose, I'll stop teaching.
All right. I'll even give you 2 weeks to train.
What? Are you insane?
Don't worry, Cameron. I believe in you.
Let the games begin.
I think you're ready, Cameron. You've shown great strength and honor. And for that, I have a gift for you.
Thanks, Mr. McGotty.
Now let's go win this thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we'll be witnessing a fight between 2 students from different dojos. On the left, we have Cameron Curtis with McGotty Do Karate. And on the right, he's no stranger in College Station. It's Xander Cochran with Cougar Kai.
Cameron, fight not with your fists, but with your heart, with your mind. Trust your training, trust yourself. Win or lose, the only thing that matters is how you carry yourself and the courage to do what's right.
Okay, Mr. McGotty. I'll try my best.
Both fighters ready? Face me, bow. Face each other, bow. And fight! Point, Curtis! Back to y'all's positions. And fight! And fight!
That was a lucky point. It's gonna be your last.
Score's 2-1. And fight! That's 2 points, Cochran.